Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are now proceeding to the next stage of the sale order development, sale order entry form, entry or edit, right? So uh, in our last session, we did this. We did the shipment tab in which we created such boxes, right? And so that the shipment data can be entered. And we have also changed, uh, we have, this is the key field we have introduced. When a new form is, a new order is intended, then the new number would be coming at but if the user changes it, then to any existing number, then it will automatically be treated as an edit scenario, and the sale order editing of the information uh, can be done by the user depending upon certain validations that will be incorporated as well. Because we would not like, nobody would like that one user creates it and somebody else edit it. Only the admin can do that, the editing of this, and or the user who has entered the information, he can edit uh, his own entered uh, sale orders. Okay, so everyone who has got his who has entered the information can do the edit to some limited extent, but this we have to avoid, that so, somebody goes to some others sale orders and who were created by some other user, and he should not be allowed to change it. Oh, well, we will do this later, but first of all, we will complete the job in here. So we have uh, made the structure of this tab, that is shipment, and these are things. So one thing is also left here, that uh, two things. One is that the names of these tabs have to be properly said. So we will name this address tab as ADDR, for example. City will become city. That's right. Okay. And we will, so that the more purposeful names are given in the form, the more it is will be, it's going to be easy for you to refer in your VBA code, right? So two things. The first thing is this. The second is when uh, sale order number is edited and somebody updates this, then the system should first of all check whether this can be edited by this user or not. Okay. So let's do this, and we go to the developer. We go to the Alt F11, or you can use, yeah, developer and Visual Basic. Okay, here, this is our, the first thing we do, that is the easiest one, is that when we click here, sales, this is the customer rep. Okay, so we remove this here. Okay, so this is a text box one. The name should be properly, purposeful name should be written, so that what is the purpose of this tab? It is a text box for the customer rep. So we cust wrap. Okay. And this is cust address. This is a shipment tab, and yeah, you can say the ship address, or SHP is the ship, and then we say type address. ADDR. Okay. This is ship city. So a naming convention is very important. Ship city and ship state. This will be ship zip code. Okay. And this is a ship font. Okay. And this is the shipper. Combo box shipper. Shipment company. This is actually shipment company which is being used to deliver the data to the customer, right? Shipper. Okay. And this is the shipment date. Ship date. Okay. And this is already done. Order one, that's fine. And what else? Yeah, in here we have to get it the change event, so that when it is changed, when we change this when the user makes any change in this order, so what should happen? So we double click it here and we start we write it, right? So in case of the change, so this is not a change actually, this is update. This should be update. What is the difference between change and update? Yeah, as soon as after update or before update. So it should be as soon as it is updated. So let's do it uh, 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 before update, okay? So this is right. Oh, uh, I'm sorry, I've made a mistake. So what we do here, we do it again, right? We want the order number one is when before update. Okay. So here we will see MSD box, and here we can write anything just to ensure that what we are planning, it is the right place to do it or not. So message box after update. Update, okay. So this is the after update. Okay. Okay, so let's see what happens. We double click in here. Okay, as soon as we make a change there and we say 81, for example, press enter. Hmm? So, so this is after update. As soon as you press enter, so this is after update. Hmm? So, and whereas the item which we clicked here, out of 11, yeah, it is actually before update. Mhm. It is before update, which is showing you the update that you have done. So here you, as soon as you get a change in here, now your job is to find it out what whether the sale order already exists, and if it exists, uh, then whether it belongs to the same. Uh, so, what is the username for which it is entered? Let's go and see about the sale orders. These are the sale order, and this is the order ID, right? For example, this 30. This 30 is, it belongs to employee number 4. What is employee number 4? Employee number 4 is here. This is employee number 4. That is Maria. Okay. Sarjinkova Maria. Okay. Is the order ID. Is the employee ID number 4. Okay. So we have to check if the order is editable by this user or not. Since we are admin, admin can edit anything, right? So let's first of all go to the Alt F11, and we will confirm here, right? We will put a stop in here, for example, so that we can see what's happening, right? And then uh, we will bring this order 1 in action to find it out if that order already exists, and if it exists, is it editable by this user or not, right? Okay, so this we will do, but uh, mm, yeah, this we will do. So the first thing to start with is let's populate this information, what you have, uh, it here. Okay, so mm, so so we can stop it here. Okay, so we will do it later. What we do now, we do the taking the simplicity as our rule of thumb, and that let's think that the order is valid and it is editable. So let's start bringing and populating this the information which are available in the form, and let's start with the cust wrap, right? Cust wrap name, right? So for this, the required thing is the customer. So if the customer name is not selected and it is real, so there is no point of going to that. Okay. So we will we will uh, go to this, and we will see that cust if the cust is dot text is not equal to space, so then this has to be done, otherwise there's no need there. Okay, so at the same time, it is also important that yeah, that what is the username as well. Okay. Anyway, so first of all, we will do it later regarding the username. Okay, let's keep it simple, right? To start with, once we develop it, and then we can make the refinement. Okay. So if the customer, it means you have the customer in the cost tab and cost drop down. So when you have the customer, so you have to check that what is the customer name and what is the customer representative name, right? Okay. So to find it out, you can use the lookup. Yeah. So we will use a cust rep CR is equal to application dot worksheet function worksheets function. I'm sorry. Worksheet function dot VLOOKUP. So what to look up? The cust text. Right? Now, where to look up? We need this information about the customer representative. So the customer is already here. So customer representative is here, right? And you can have it here on customer name. So there should be a formula that will bring the contact name in here. Okay. So what we do is we first of all let's write the formula. That's this. The first name is this, and then we do and then we do space, and then we do and we write the last name. So these are the customer name. This is one-time formula entering, which you have done it. That's right. So press save so that you don't lose this data. Now the T is the column in which you have the customer representative name. Customer, the contact names are where? At the T, right? Okay. So let's get back to the code and where we were writing A to T. So we will use the function sheets of the customer. So where to look up is the sheets, the customer. This is not complete yet. You have to specify the range as well. Range from A, from A to T, right? So you have specified the two things: where to look up, what to look up. Means or means what to look up and then where to look up. And how to look up is the number of counts of the columns. A to T are how many columns? It's very easy. You can select this and then go right to the this. So it is 20 columns, right? So we go there and we type 20 here. And then the last argument is false. You don't need it to be sorted. Here means the range is not sorted. Means go through the entire lookup range and find it out, right? Don't consider, by putting false, you are telling that telling to the computer that the don't consider this range as a sorted one. So go through the entire range. If you put a true here, it will treat it as a sorted order. And as soon as anything bigger appears, then it will stop going further, right? So this is the difference, right? So the CR is here, and let's dis uh, display it so that we know it's working. You box and we type CR. Okay. Okay. So let's see that. Let's take a customer order, the sale order, in which say it is 37, right? And the order number is 37, and the employee is 8, and that 8 means not employee. Customer number is 7, right? Customer number is 37, and the company uh, executive. This is the company name is the company F, right? And company F, if you go to the customer, you have the company F here, the F. So this is the Oleta Francisco, okay? Francisco is the company representative, okay? So this should appear when we make a change to 37. So let's see. You select, you start from, for example, this, and then the names are coming, company F, and here you say 37, for example, and press enter. So the lookup property has the problem. So lookup is, what to look up is this, right? And where to look up is this customer. Oh, yeah. So this is not the right way. It is B. It has to be on the rightmost cell. So if it is B, yeah, B, and it is 19, right? Because the names, the customer name which you are saying, it is not on A, it is on B, right? The B is when looked up until T, it is 19, and that's it. So this is franchise. It has picked up the right person from whom it belongs to, this customer, this order. Okay. So this is the customer name, the customer representative name to appear in the cast wrap. Okay, so let's move it straight away there. Okay, so Alt F11. So we were doing here and there. So instead of displaying it here, what we will do, the cast wrap is dot text is equal to this. Right. Fair enough. So let's run it. When you select as a salesperson, you select the company, the customer name, and you select 37, for example. So what is having, it is cast wrap. So cast wrap, that is CR, customer representative, right? This is probably CR. Okay. Debug. I have to check if the form has the right name. Let's press Alt F11. We go to this. What is the name? Check what is the name of this. This is cast wrap dot text. Okay, it is cast wrap. So the cast wrap dot text, it should be used here. So let me check it again. Yeah. So the issue was that I found that I missed this equal to sign in here. Okay. So if you want to move some text into a text box, that has to be an equal to sign, right? Okay. So let's run it again. We are going to select the sales cost. The salesperson is this, and then the customer is this, and we want order number 37 to be edited, and it works, right? Okay, that's in the same manner, all these information are going to be populated. Okay, so do join us in our next video. Thank you very much.